Yes, sir. What's the deal, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy KinfolkKari coming back at y'all with another banger, man. And as y'all can tell by the title, bro, I went and caught me some sleepers just now. It just came from the little city girl. These Air Jordan 1 mid things, bro. But before we get into these, make sure y'all like the video, sub up, and hit that bell, bro. But without further ado, let's get straight to it.
Cougar is the truth. 79 might just take off the roof.
So man, we got these Jordan 1 mids, bro. Regular black box with that gold jump, man. Side sticker reads Air Jordan 1 mid. Colors are hemp, white, gum, yellow. Size 11. You know, ones fit big, but I tried on the 11. 11 is like perfect, you know what I mean? Especially with how I'm around. Retail price, 120 bucks. Jumping right into the shoe. These things, bro, these things so fire, man. And I know some of y'all, the hype beasts out there, y'all see mids and instantly get scared and run away. But man, I don't have any problem with rocking mids, bro. I don't gotta prove nothing to nobody about nobody. Wish somebody would say something about me wearing some mids, bro. I'm kind of honestly glad that it was a mid colorway, man. Cause just imagine, bro, if they would have came out with this colorway in the high top, bro, it would have been crazy. Reselling for like $700 already, bro. Say I'm lying. It would have been crazy, bro. So I'm glad that they came out with these, bro, in the mid version, so that everybody who don't like the mids, bro, just keep sleeping on them. But yeah, bro, starting off with the bottom, you got your gum bottom, man. That nice gum bottom with that white midsole, white and tan upper with the white laces, that tan jump, man. Super clean, dope shoe, bro. It's a sleeper for sure, man. And like I said, I'm glad it came out in the mid, because, man, if it was a high top, it would be going crazy right now, easily. Probably top 5 shoes this year. Real talk, say I'm lying. Because, bro, this is a super dope colorway, especially for the fall, you know what I mean? Watch, man, give it about 2 years. I think the resale is like, let me see. Let's see how much the resale is. All right, bet. So these retail for $120. Reselling right now is about, I'd say about $20, $30 over retail. And that's just right now, bro. I don't know if y'all know, but mids, man, if it's a dope colorway, mids, they can shoot up in price. Like, for example, I bought some 2017, I bought some New Loves. Let me just show y'all. Look, bro, I bought these Jordan 1. Let me just grab them. Look, 2017, this is back when your boy was in the stripes, working at Foot Locker, where I had caught these, bro, with the discount. These was, I think these was 120. No, these were 110. And I bought these with my discount. I wonder if I still got, I usually keep my receipts. I ain't got the receipt, bro. But 110 with 30% off. It was like, bro, I don't know, 70, 80 bucks, bro, easy still. And it's also an OG colorway, if y'all didn't know that. But, bro, people were sleeping on them, you know? It was like one of those, if you know, you know. You know what I mean? But, bro, I brought these up to say 110 retail. Now these things are going for size 12. Size 12 going for $350 right now, bro. For a mid, $350. And that's just the size 12. It's size 10 and a half, $450. Size 11, $535. Bro, that's what I'm saying. So keep sleeping on the mids if y'all want to, bro. I'm trying to tell you. You find you a dope colorway like this, bro, and just hold on to it, or like just keep them in good condition, you know what I mean? Don't beat them and wait like a couple years, bro. When people forget about them, they see your feet like, dang, what's them, bro? Watch. Wait a couple years. These things gonna be at least, bro, $200-300 easily, bro. Cause this is a better shoe than that. Free game. Right now, if y'all do want them, I say definitely go ahead and pull the trigger. While the hype is somewhat down, just hold on to them, bro, or rock them. That's what I'm gonna do. Shoot, I'm gonna rock these, real talk. But yeah, bro, super, super dope shoe, man. Gotta be the most slept on shoe this year. Just because it's a mid, bro. It's crazy how this stuff works. Let this have been a high top Jordan 1, man. It would have broke the internet, bro. But that's enough talking, bro. Let's get straight into this on feet. Now, do y'all see what I'm saying a little bit? That concludes the review on these 10 gum Jordan 1. Y'all let me know down there in the comment if y'all feeling these, bro, or if y'all still scared of them because they a mid, man. Man, get over there. It's the same shoe as them retros, just a mid cut, bro. People crazy. There's nothing wrong with wearing mids, bro. You feel me now? Some colorways, though, you can't be out of line with wearing them, I ain't gonna lie. I only buy the colorways that I feel like is just real dope. I got the breads, the new lids that y'all just seen in these. These are my only 3 pairs, but some colorways I wouldn't touch with the 10-foot pole. I'm not saying wear those. But if it's a colorway that you see that you like, you know what I mean, bro? But you don't want to buy it just because it's a mid, don't do that, bro. Don't let these people tell you what to wear, what not to wear, bro. But anyway, man, that concludes this video. Let me know what y'all cop these. Are y'all feeling these, or am I tripping? Are these trash? But I'm trying to tell y'all, bro, get these 2 years. These things gonna be at least $250 plus. So if y'all digging these, I say go ahead and pull the trigger. If y'all can find them on StockX, GOAT for a cool little price, or even locally, even better. Either way, bro, pull the trigger on these before they shoot up, because I guarantee they will. But it's your boy KinfolkKari. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what y'all think about these things, man. Till next time, I'm out.